Hello once again, and this is Jada, Ashley, Spencer, or Scarlet27, and today we are going to be doing like dechroming the side chrome bits. I've done one side just to show you what it's like, or what it's going to look like, and then I'm going to do the other side with you. That's why I've flipped my car around. It feels super weird, but whatever. We're doing that. This is like, I wouldn't, at first I would have said it's really easy. Then I looked at my work after I'd done it. I was just like, this looks crap. So I'd put it in the medium category. Like, I'd say it's probably easier than the wrapping. Like, yeah, easier than the wrapping, but harder than what you may think. Because you don't really have to worry out for little bubbles. But it's just applying it in the right places. So yeah, right, let's get into it. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Basically, I done this bit first and then done this bit, but yeah, that's what it looks like. There are points where it's kind of, there are points where like it's kind of like not chrome. So yeah, but yeah, it was going all right, and then that's my final bit. I think that went a bit better, except, yeah, I still need to peel it off. But then I've done this bit came out perfect. And then we have this bit here as well, which came out-ish. But I still need to peel this off, so yeah. Okay, so this is what has become of it, sort of thing. I did have some trouble trying to get the plastic out of like round here, especially around here. But hopefully tomorrow the heat, because it's very hot in England right now, is going to sort this out, like sort of mould it, and yeah, it should come out better. So yeah. Anyway, this has been Jade, Ashley Spencer with Scarlet27. Thanks for watching. Next video, we are going to be sort of like doing the splitter sort of thing. So we're going to put wrap from there to the other side sort of thing, and then yeah, we're just making this black, and then I think a bit after that then we'll be doing this, because I don't have the patience to do it. This seems very, some of it seems very easy, like even this bit here, I don't even think you can see the, yeah, but I want to do that first and then we'll do this. So yeah, anyway.